Hello everyone. Now we will start exercise 6.4. In this exercise we will apply the result of theorem 6.6. What this theorem says, if two triangles are similar, then we can say area of triangle, ratio of area of triangle is equals to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Any two sides. So this result we will apply theorem 6.6. If two triangles are similar, it should be given triangles are similar, then ratio of area of triangle is equals to ratio of square of corresponding sides. Clear? See first question of exercise 6.4. Let ABC and DEF are similar. Areas are given 64 and 121. So we will apply this result. Is equals to which two sides we will consider? EF and BC. Square. ABC is 64. DEF 121. BC we have to find. EF is 15.4. 64 is the square of 8. 121 of 11. So we can write 8 upon 11 square. Now taking square root. Why we are taking the square root? We are considering plus minus sign. But here we will select only positive sign because side cannot be in negative measurements. So we can say 8 upon 11 is equals to BC upon 15.4. Cross multiply 8 into 15.4 upon 11 is equals to BC. Simplify it. 11 ones are 1, 11 fours are 44. 8 into 1.4. So BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Clear? Next second question. Diagonal of a trapezium ABCD with AB is parallel to DC. Trapezium AB is double of CD. It means to say AB side is greater than CD. AB is this side and CD is this side. Find the ratio of areas of the triangle AOB and COD. AOB and COD. Now clearly these two triangles are similar. Vertically opposite angle, alternative angle. First of all, prove that triangle AOB is similar to this is given. Triangle AOB and COD. Clear? First of all, you have to write angle A is equals to angle C, alternative angle B is equals to D, alternative angle. So by AA rule, triangles are similar. So we can consider the result AOB on COD is equals to which side we will consider? AB upon CD square. Replace AB by double of CD. CD will be cancelled. So 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. So ratio is 4 ratio 1. Clear? So to apply this result, first it should be clear that both the triangles are similar. Here similar are not even. So first of all we will prove the triangles are similar, then we will apply the result. Next question number 3. Figure is given. Draw the figure of your notebooks. A, B, C, D, AD and BC intersect at point O. These are the triangles ABC and BCD. Two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at point O, show that area of ABC upon area of DBC is equals to A upon C. Now see, here we can't use the result that ratio of area of triangle is equals to ratio of their square of corresponding side. Why? Because on right hand side the term is A upon DO, not its square. So we can't use that result. So how we will solve it? Area of triangle ABC upon DBC. So area of triangle is half into base into altitude. To find area of ABC, we have base BC, but we don't have the altitude. So first of all, by construction, this we have to prove. So we will do construction. Draw AM perpendicular on BC, DN perpendicular on BC. Now apply the result. Area of triangle half into base into altitude. Altitude is AM. For this, half into base into altitude. Half and BC will be cancelled. So we get AM upon DN. But instead of AM and DN, we need AO and DO. So we will do these two triangles similarly. Smaller triangles. In triangle AOM and DOM. These are the vertical opposite angles. These are 90. So angle AOM equals to DOM. Vertically opposite angles. Angle ANO and DNO, each 90. So we can say triangles are similar by AA. Now consider the ratio. AO upon DO is equals to AM upon DN. Now from this first equation, replace AM and DN by AO and D. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equals to AO upon D. Clear? Next, question number 4. If the area of the two similar triangles are equal, areas are equal, it is given. Prove that they are congruent. Fourth question. These are the two triangles ABC and PQ. It is given that these are the similar and its areas are equal. What is given? Area of ABC is equals to area of PQR. It is given, and ABC similar to PQ. Now similarity and areas are equal, it is given, so we will apply the result. Ratio of area of two triangles is equals to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. First of all, write down given and prove, then prove. So by the theorem, we can say area of triangle ABC upon PQR is equals to AB upon PQ square. Similarly, you can write other two sides. Now both the areas are equal, so this ratio is equals to 1. So from this we get AB is equals to PQ. Similarly, if you will write BC upon QR, then you will get BC equals to QR. If you will write down AC upon PR, we get AC is equals to PR. So, corresponding sides are equal. AB is equals to PQ. BC is equal to QR. AC is equals to PR. So, we can say triangles are congruent. So, then we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which rule? S rule. Triangles are congruent. Clear? Next, question number 5th. Draw the figure. DE and F are respectively the midpoints of side AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of area of triangle DEF and ABC. First of all, draw the figure. Firstly, complete triangle ABC. DE is midpoint of AB, E, F. This is the triangle DEF. We have to find the ratio of area of these two triangles. Now, first of all, we have to prove these triangles are similar. These smaller and complete triangles are similar. Then we can apply the result. Now, you know, by midpoint theorem, we can say DF is parallel to BC and DF is equal to half of BC. Half of BC is B. Instead of BC, you can write BE. Now DF is equals to BE and DF is parallel to BE. So BE FD is a parallelogram. So is a parallelogram. So opposite angles are equal. Angle B is equals to angle F. Opposite angles of parallel. Similarly, DF is equals to CE and DF is parallel to CE. So again, DECF is a parallelogram. So from this we can write down C is equals to angle D. Similarly, angle A is equals to angle E. So corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD because A angle is equals to E, B angle equals to F and C angle equals to D by AAB. Now we can apply the result. Area of triangle, we have to find the area of DEF. Firstly write down DEF, then ABC. Corresponding sides, so we will choose which side of DEF. So we have to choose side BC and DF from this. DF upon BC square. So DF is equals to half of BC. BC will be cancelled. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So ratio of area is 1:4. Clear? Next, sixth question. Prove that the ratio of area of two similar triangles is equals to square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Draw the figure. Draw two triangles. Triangle ABC. Question number 6. Triangle PQR. Draw their medians. We have to show that ratio of area of two similar triangles is equals to square of ratio of their corresponding median. The result is corresponding corresponding sides. Now it is given triangles are similar. AD is median of triangle ABC. PM is median of triangle PQR. So we have to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD upon PM square. Clear? So we will prove. We know that if two triangles are similar, then we can write down AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. So from where this result arises? In exercise 6.3 there is a last question. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of sides is equal to ratio of their median. We had proved in the last question 16. If it comes in 4 marks, then you can get that complete result. Otherwise you can use the direct result. So apply the theorem. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. Now replace AB and PQ by AD and PM. Clear? So this is the result. Next, 7th question. Prove that area of an equilateral triangle. Firstly, draw the figure. Prove that area of equilateral triangle described on the side of the sphere. First of all, draw sphere. Draw equilateral triangle on one side of the sphere. So all the sides are equal. Is equals to the half of the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. Draw a diagonal and an equilateral triangle on this diagonal. Clear? So A, B, C, D is a sphere. B, C, P is equilateral triangle. A, C, Q is another equilateral triangle. So we have to prove area of triangle BPC is equals to half of area of triangle ACQ. Means to say area of BPC upon area of ACQ is equals to 1/2. Now we know that all the equilateral triangles are similar, so we can use the direct result. First of all, let side of sphere A. If this is A, this equilateral triangle side is also A. Find diagonal by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. AC square is equals to A square plus A square, which is 2A square. So AC is equals to root 2A. Apply the result of ratio area of BPC upon area of ACQ, because both the triangles are equilateral and equilateral triangles are similar. So we can write down, you can choose any side, because in equilateral triangle all sides are equal. You can write BC upon AC square. BC is A, AC is root 2A. AA will be cancelled, 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2. So we can write down area of BPC is equals to half of area of ACQ. Here. Next, question number 8. ABC and BD are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of DC. Ratio of the area of the triangle ABC and BDE. Draw the figure ABC and BDE. First of all, ABC. This is one equilateral of area of triangle. These are equilateral triangle, so we can see, we can apply the result. Area of ABC upon BDE is equals to, side of this is BC, side of this is BD. BD is double of BC, sorry, half of BC. BD is smaller side, BC is larger side, or you can say BC is double of BD. BD will be cancelled. 2 square is 4. 4:1. So C option is correct. Ninth, side of the two similar triangle are in ratio 4:9. What is the area? Area will be square. So area is equals to 16:81. That is D option. Clear? So this is your complete exercise. Exercise 6.4. Hope you all understand all the questions. Thank you so much.